Hello students, welcome you all to my channel Doctor's Academy for Taxation and Accounting. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe it. Today in this video, let us discuss trial balance. Trial balance is a statement which is prepared on the basis of the balances standing in the ledger account for a particular period and which is used for testing the arithmetical accuracy of the books of account which we have prepared. It is understood that if both the columns, that is debit as well as credit column of the trial balance, shows an equal balance, then it is said to be the accounts are prepared with arithmetical accuracy, satisfying the double entry rule. The debits are equivalent to credit. Now let us see the important features and objectives of preparing a trial balance. The trial balance is prepared on a particular date based on the account balances extracted from the accounts prepared, and it will contain various debit balances as well as credit balances. The intention of preparing trial balance is to check the arithmetical accuracy of the books of account. The trial balance is considered to be the starting point for preparation of the final account, that is trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now let us see the important items that would appear in a trial balance along with its format. The format of the trial balance we have discussed in a previous video, but here also let us revise it. So it is a statement, contains 4 columns. The first column is serial number. The second column is a bigger column called particular column, where we will be writing the name of account. Next column is writing the debit balances, and the credit balances will be written in the last column. So in the trial balance, the balances standing in the ledger account will be written here. All debit balances in the account shows that has to brought here the debit column, and whatever account shows the credit balance, it should be brought to here to the credit column. And while totaling it, it is not balancing, it is just totaling. When we total it, both the total column will be showing a same balance, a same amount will be shown in both the total column. So let us take certain example, certain items which would normally appear in the trial balance. Cash account normally shows debit balance. Similarly, bank account, debit balance. All assets account, all assets, debit balance. All liabilities will be showing credit balance. Sales, credit balance. Purchases, debit balance. All expenses, debit balance. All incomes, credit balance. All reserves, provisions, credit balance. All losses, debit balance. All profit, credit balance. So likewise we have to write all these items. When we write all these items, it will automatically get tallied, both the column, debit as well as credit column. So that gives a sign of correctness of the books of account that we have prepared. The trial balance may be prepared in two ways. One is total method and another one is balance method. Under total method, the total of both the side of all the accounts will be taken into consideration, and the trial balance will be automatically get tallied. So such method is known as total method. And another one is balance method, under which the balance brought down standing in the respective ledger accounts will be taken into the trial balance. Such method is said to be balance method. So, and the popular method is balance method, where in the name of each account only one item will be coming in the trial balance. So as I told you, if both the columns, debit column as well as the credit column of a trial balance is equal or tally, then it is presumed that that account is correct. It shows an arithmetical accuracy of the books of account which we have prepared. But that general statement need not be correct always. There may be chances for mistake. Here the debit balance total shows 1,13,000 and the credit balance also shows the same value 1,13,000. But this trial balance is prepared wrongly. Even the total shows the same balance. It is done in a wrong manner. So let us understand what is the mistake in this trial balance. There are 20 accounts name given, and first is cash in hand, purchases return, wages, establishment expenses, sales returns, capital, carriage outwards, discount received, commission earned, machinery, stock, debtors, creditors, sales, purchases, bank overdraft, manufacturing expenses, loan from Ashok, carriage inwards, interest on investment, and the total is 1,13,000 in both the column. Take each item. First one is cash in hand. Cash in hand is a debit item but given in the credit column. Purchases return is a credit item but given in debit column. Wages is a debit item given correctly. Establishment expenses is a debit item given correctly. Sales return is a debit item but given in credit, it is wrong. Capital is a credit item but given in debit. Carriage outwards is a debit item but given in credit. Discount received and commission earned both are income, so it is credit item given in wrong. Machinery is an asset, so it should be debit. Similarly, stock is another asset, that is also should be debit but given in credit column. Debtors is debit only, so given correctly. Creditors is credit item given correctly. Sales is the major credit item given correctly. Purchases is the debit item, correct. Bank overdraft, it is given wrongly because it is credit item given in the debit column, it is wrong. Manufacturing expenses is an expense, so it to be debited, it is debit balance only. Loan from Ashok, it is a liability, liability will show credit balance. Carriage inwards, that is expenses, correct only. Interest on investment, that is income given correctly. So in this given trial balance, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items. Out of these 20 items, 12 items are written in this trial balance in a wrong manner. Even it is showing 1,13,000 total both the column, this statement is wrong. So it doesn't show any arithmetical accuracy of the books of account. So let us rewrite this trial balance and find out the correct value, and let us check the arithmetical accuracy, whether the books of account is prepared correctly or not. So this 2000 should be here and it to be removed from here, removed, and this 4000 should be moved to credit and it to be cancelled here. Okay. Now this 8,000 should come here and it to be removed, and this 22,000 should go to credit column and it to be removed from here, 22,000, and this 2,000 should come here and it to be removed from here, and this 1,200 should go credit and this 800 should go credit. So both that to be removed from here, and this 20,000 and 10,000 should come to debit side. So it to be removed from the credit column. Then this 14,000 should be moved here and it to be removed, and this 14,000 should be moved here, it to be removed, and this 14,000 should move there and it to be removed. Now let us wipe off this total column also and let us total it once again and find out the credit balance and debit balance. So here also both the sides shows the same value, that is 1,13,000, which is correct only. Even after rewriting the balance in the correct pattern, the trial balance shows the same balance, so that we can say the accounts which are prepared correctly only, but when they return in the trial balance, they committed some mistake. Hope this concept is clear. This is how we will be preparing the trial balance, and this trial balance will be used for preparation of the final account, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. If this video is useful, please forward it and share it across the students community, like it and watch it again. Thank you very much. If you have any comments or queries or clarification required, please leave it in the comment box. Thank you very much.